Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and the amazing Blue Baron truck mounts. Super high quality units, high performance. They come in all different colors depending on your company theme color. We've been 20 years in the business of building these fine, beautiful truck mounts, as well as the accessory lines of inline filter boxes, subwells, and recovery tanks. Check us out on the store at truckmountstore.com. You will be amazed by the quality of these units. The testimonials are a mile long on what they have achieved in their business as a result of this high performance. So when you pull up into a customer's house and you pull that slider open, they're going to see a beautiful machine. And when they see the quality of the cleaning, as well as the quick dry time, they will be amazed. And you'll have them calling you back because, like I said, quality is everything, performance, and of course, price. We are busy for a reason. This is May 2026. We are busy because of the high quality. We've been 20 years in the business, got a huge amount of following of testimonials, and people are just very, very happy. We have one customer that just turned over 7,000 hours. He's up in Waresdale. If you ever need his number, chat with him on the phone. He's real friendly guy, and he can tell you of his experience with the Compact 45. All of these units are just super high quality quarter plate. And the infrastructure and the way I do it, it's not like some of these other competition units that have an empty pan lid. This is all fully infrastructure to give you rigidity, and construction is just right there. Everything is high quality, super high quality on our headers. And this is a Compact 45 that's going to Maryland. We're in the process of finishing this one up. This one is from St. Augustine's. This one is from St. Petersburg. This guy's coming up for an install, and he'll get his inline filter box, which is quarter thick marine aluminum. It's just a really nice unit. Well, let me put it this way. If Mrs. Jones loses that diamond ring or necklace, and she's asking you, I dropped it on the floor. I might have dropped it on the floor. Can you check the inline filter box? Well, this is going to help you not have to get into a recovery tank. You'll be able to, don't stick your head in that sticky tank if you don't have to. This will save you a lot of time and effort. Not in easy maintenance, not having to get in and lift that lid off. On occasions, you're going to have to clean your recovery tank, but this will help in a lot of ways so that you don't have to do that. So we come with the GX690 this is an Economy 36. That's a Predator 670. Each one is really good, but like I said, there's a little bit of a price differential. I mean, this is by name. The Predator is not as recognized like the Hondas, but it is a Honda clone. It is built by Honda. It is very, very sturdy. Both of these units just really go very well with a lot of torque and capability and heat generation for your heat exchangers. One thing I wanted to say is all our units are capable of over 2,000 pounds working pressure. Yes, 2,000 pounds. That means you don't have to spend $30,000 to get the pressure that you need to do that driveway. So you're done with your carpets, and then the lady or guy or whoever, one of your customers says, hey, do my driveway. And you're incapable of doing it if you can't get over 1,000. Many of these units don't go above 1,000 because their cheap copper tube and fin heat exchangers are not capable of the high pressure. All of our units are 3,500 pounds pressure rated. We even sell overseas these beautiful heaters, especially for the ProChem aftermarkets that have been discontinued. So we're worldwide recognized on our heat exchangers, and as well as our Blue Baron truck mounts. But I would say the icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts is the capability of our heat exchangers developing good commercial heat. And check us up on Google Patents. You'll be amazed. Like I said, we've been doing this for a long time, 20 years. We've got a long list and a long following of people that are very happy with what we're doing. We also build the subwells for the Compact series. One of the previous videos you'll see there's a compact subwell as well as the SE series, which came out earlier We have a lot of videos of that as well. The subwell will give you space, work within a certain space constraints so that you're not, getting in the way of equipment like rotovacs and spinner tools and other stuff that you want to put in your van. These can go on any type of trailer, box truck, Sprinter, or regular work van. These units are very space saving. Their footprint is very space saving. And like I said, we build the recovery tanks that are all aluminum. We also build other units as well. We're coming out with another unit that is more like a saddle that goes over the wheel well type of recovery tank, all marine aluminum, 3/16 thick. We're also coming out with another unique type of accessory, which is called the Splash. That will be a lid that has 36 jets. So it will be tied in with your pressure system to give you a good, thorough wash so that you're not having to take that lid off all the time. But that's just an accessory line that if you so choose to purchase, just look us up online. We have 7 or 8 different, we're on our 8th model now. So we do build the 47XL, that's our largest unit. So, and our smallest unit is Economy 36. Check the pricing. I think you're going to end up throwing your portable away when you see the pricing versus the quality of what this machine can do. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com or call us at 727-505-2989. Ask for Pete. Thank you.